In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hair with Magic Edit in Canva. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. This is especially helpful if you're editing portraits, upgrading a profile photo, or just experimenting with creative looks. Start by opening your design in Canva and making sure the photo you want to edit is on your canvas. Once you can see your image, click directly on it. This tells Canva which element you want to work on, and it will bring up a toolbar with different editing options specifically for that photo. After selecting the image, look for the edit option usually found above or beside the canvas once the photo is highlighted. Click on Edit. This opens Canva's photo editing panel, where you'll find tools like adjustments, filters, and, most importantly for this tutorial, Magic Edit. In the editing panel, you'll see an option that involves using a brush. Click on the brush tool. This brush is how you tell Canva exactly which part of the image you want to change or enhance. Before you start brushing, zoom in a little on the hair area, if needed, so you can be more precise. Now carefully brush over the hair area you want to modify. This might be the entire head of hair, or just a section where you want to add more volume, shape, or visual interest. Try to stay within the hairline and avoid brushing over the face or background, because Canva will focus its edits on the area you paint. Don't worry about being perfect, but aim for a clean selection to get better results. Once you're happy with the brushed area, look for the Magic Edit option and click on it. Magic Edit uses AI to generate new content based on the area you selected and the description you provide. You'll see a text box where you can type what you want. In this case, type in highlight. This tells Canva you want to add hair highlights to the selected area. You can think of it as giving the AI a simple, clear instruction about the style you're going for. After typing your prompt, click on Generate. Canva will process your request and show you a few different options. From there, you can choose the version that looks best, and your new, enhanced hair will be applied directly to your image.